back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some vegan brownies. Stay tuned and we'll put it all together. I will leave the recipe down in the description box for this so you can check it out and make these yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and into that I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of water. And I'm just going to give it a quick stir just to combine it. That's our flaxseed mixture. I'm going to pop that off to the side for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to pop my hob on. And in this pan I've just got some water. So I'm going to let that start heating up. And while that's heating, into a large glass bowl I've got 120 grams of chocolate. I'm going to add in 80 grams of vegan margarine or butter, as well as 60 millilitres of water. And I'm also going to add in half a teaspoon of ground coffee. Now I'm going to pop that onto the heat and just let that melt. Chocolate's all melted and lovely and smooth. I'm going to pop the pan off to the back of the oven to cool down and pop my chocolate there and just give that a couple of minutes to cool down. So while my chocolate is just cooling, I'm going to bring myself a bowl in and pop in ground almonds, flour, cocoa and salt, and I'm just going to give that a little mix to combine it. Chocolate mixture's cooled down. I'm just going to pop my sugar in. And I'm going to give that a whisk. Now my sugar's been mixed into my chocolate, and I'm going to pop in my flaxseed mixture. Along with vanilla extract. And the remainder of my chocolate. And I'm just going to give that a little mix to combine. So now that's all combined, I'm just going to pop in my flour and almond mixture. Everything's all mixed together. I'm going to pop it into my silicone pan and level it off. just drizzle over. I've got here a couple of tablespoons of biscotti spread, and I've just popped them in the microwave for a minute so it's nice and runny. Now that's all my biscotti spread on top. I'm just going to use the back of a knife just to quickly run through it and just feather it in. So that's all feathered in, and now I'm going to pop this into my oven, which is preheated to 150 for 35 to 45 minutes, and I'll see you then when it's all baked. So that's my brownies out the oven now, and I'm going to leave them completely to cool in this pan on a wire rack and just cover them over, and then once they're all cooled they'll go nice and firm, and I'm going to cut them into 12 pieces, and hopefully they'll end up with a nice fudgy centre in the middle. So I do hope you have enjoyed this video and the recipe, and don't forget you can make these for someone special because it is coming up Valentine's next month. If not, just make them for a treat for yourself. Please do give this video a like and a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. And if you're going to make these brownies, just comment below and tell me what you're going to put in yours. I think these are going to be pretty awesome with some biscotti spread in. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by clicking my face up here. And also you can watch my previous baking video just down here. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!